Hey, what's up, brother? Welcome to another video for Iron Man Lifestyle. My name is Kshitij and I teach you guys about dating advice, personal development, and how do you have an amazing social life and amazing lifestyle. So in this video, I've got a huge announcement coming up. Consider these couple of scenarios, alright? Let's say you're out, alright? Maybe you're at a bar, maybe you're at a club, maybe you're at a cafe, or या तो तुम ऐसी street में घूम रहे हो कहीं पे. And you see this really cute girl. You want to talk to her, you want to approach her, but you still cannot. There is something which is stopping you. Fear takes over, and you come back home, and you regret it. You think to yourself, यार काश अप्रोच कर दी होती, एटलीस्ट रिग्रेट तो नहीं होती, देखा जाता जो भी होता. बट नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन कम्स अप. इफ आई डू अप्रोच द गर्ल, व्हाट इज इट दैट आई एम सपोज टू से टू हर? बात क्या करें आखिर, वो क्या करें? एंड देन अगर चलो ठीक है शुरू में कुछ बोल भी दिया, व्हाट इफ आई रन आउट ऑफ थिंग्स टू से? व्हाट एम आई सपोज टू डू देन? Or consider another scenario. Let's say you really like this girl for the past couple of years, but the thing is that you've been friend zoned. You're almost in the simp zone. And simp zone से बाहर कैसे आना है वो तुम्हें पता नहीं है. And how do you not fall into the friend zone again? How do you not be a simp again with any other girl? Like that's the worst thing that can happen to any of us, right? कि हमें कोई बोल रहा है यार तू तो simp है bro. And all these things that we read all the time, every time, we never want to be simps. Now what I'm doing is I'm launching my own private community where I'm going to be answering all these questions and making exclusive videos on that for you guys. So I'm going to talk about things like how do you get out of the friend zone, how do you not be a simp, how do you approach someone, what is it that you got to talk about, what to do when you run out of things to say, and many more other topics. All right, you guys are going to be the audience. It's going to be your community. You guys decide what is it that I need to talk about. Plus every month we're going to be doing a live Q&A session on Zoom where we're going to be interacting together, and it's just going to be a community. The value is going to be crazy. We're going to have live demonstrations and then role plays or certain situations of how you got to approach people. We're going to talk about body language. Every question that you guys have, basically, yeah, this is something that I'm going to be doing aage tak, and this is where I'm going to be allowed to go even deeper and use different formats to teach you guys about dating advice, personal development, about your social life, about your communication skills, about your personality. It's going to be a shit tons of stuff, and I know there's going to be shit tons of value for you. If you cannot see the value abhi tak, भाई बंद कर दो, चले जाओ. But if you do see the value, guys, click on the link below, check it out, go to SimpToStud.com, sign up for it. This offer is never going to be there again. I mean, I don't know even why मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ. Just click it below, sign up for it. I'm going to see you guys inside. That'll be all from my side, guys. This is Kshitij signing off. Peace out, boys.